chasing the easy life.
What's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be showing you how I co-wash and deep condition my wig. Today's video is sponsored by Eullair hair. So I made a wig out of the hair they sent me. This is Peruvian body wave, 3 18-inch bundles and 1 16-inch closure, and I did use all of the hair. So I did use a glue gun with the black glue sticks to make this wig, and later on I'm gonna show you how I'm going to hot glue the combs on this wig to make it more secure. So if you want to stay tuned to see how I co-wash and deep condition my wigs, keep on watching. The hair is already nice and bouncy and soft before I even co-wash the hair. But once I deep condition and co-wash, it's gonna be even softer and shinier. Well, you don't really want it shinier, but it's gonna be softer. So I'm just gonna be using this sample that I received. It's Jamaican black castor oil co-wash. For my deep condition, I'm just gonna use this pink shea butter coconut oil leave-in conditioner. It doesn't matter.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
Okay, so you can put your so I'm just gonna put my wig back on my mannequin head so it can dry. I could blow dry it, right? Because I really don't have time to be sitting here waiting on it to dry. So yeah, let's go blow dry it. So this is how I decided to style it. Y'all can see I did add a little concealer to the part. Just a little bit of baby hair here and there. I just decided to push this back, put a rubber band here because I hate hair in my face. This hair is beautiful, y'all. As y'all can see, it still has that natural shine. It's very soft, very flowy. I did decide to flat iron it because I wanted it a little bit more straighter. The natural curl of this hair was body wave. It did have that little slight wave to it, so I flat ironed it. I've been wearing a kinkier texture hair, so this hair gives me kind of a new look, a new style. I will leave the links down below so you guys can check them out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.